गोयचे राज्यपाल श्रीधरन पिल्लय हाणें बरयल्ल्या ट्रेडिशनल प्लांट्स ऑफ भारत ह्या पुस्तकाचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत आनी मुखेल न्यायाधीश धनंजय चंद्रचूड हांच्या हाजिरीन प्रकाशन जालें. राज्यपाल श्रीधरन पिल्लय हाणें बरयल्ल्या पुस्तकान फुडले पिळगेक शिक्षण दिवपाची अफाट तांक आसा. राज्यपालान बरयल्ल्या ह्या पुस्तकाचो जायत्या भाशांनी अणकार करून ते ऑनलायन उपलब्ध करपाची गरज आसा अशें भारताचो मुखेल न्यायाधीश डी.वाय. चंद्रचूड हांणी सांगलें.
It's important that we do not leave or lose these acquired learnings and wisdom of the past. Therefore, I think that the book which has been brought out by the Honorable Governor has a tremendous potential to pass on learning to the present and the future generations. I would only request I would make one suggestion very respectfully, which is that we can really put out the book online now and have the book published in all Indian languages. As the Honorable Governor said, it's been part of our mission in the Supreme Court to translate all the judgments of the Supreme Court into Indian languages. In fact, 37,000 judgments of the Supreme Court have already been translated into Hindi, right from independence until today. We're translating judgments into every Indian language. I'm sure we'll also be having more judgments translated into Konkani, in Marathi, in Telugu, in Malayalam, in Tamil, because that's the way our people will understand the work which we do. And I think by putting the book online and translating it into different Indian languages, we'll really carry the message of this traditional learning to all our communities across India. I began with the story of Ram Naik ji. Pardon me for again referring to him. He was very, very close to us, and even thereafter we have kept in touch. He wrote a book in Marathi called Charavati Charavati. And Charavati Charavati has now been translated into multiple Indian languages and into foreign languages and is being published worldwide. About the story of somebody whose life has been committed to social service and public life in the nation. And the governor has been so deeply associated with our public life, our social life. So this message of Rajapal ji should not be only confined to the English knowing population.